Hello viewers, today I bring you a most amazing trustable platform in front of you whose name is IC Daffy. In this video I am telling about IC Daffy, the roadmaps, token advantages, white paper and also to how to who you can contact on this. So I hope you will like my video. Don't skip my video and watch my video till end. So first of all you can see their beautiful review of this token, this site. IC Daffy marketing program airdrop. So you can also join their airdrop, register yourself and get ICD wallet address on website icdaffy.org. Provide username and wallet address to the airdrop bot and to receive 10 ICDs. Telling that get registered yourself and get ICD wallet address on website and also username wallet address to get airdrop in to receive 10 ICDs. So do you do the mission of subscribing that to the YouTube channel to receive 10 ISD. So do the mission of the following Twitter and retweet pin post of together. Mean he's telling that if you subscribe their YouTube channel and if you subscribe their Twitter and retweet in pin post, you will get 10 ICDs. So it's here. If you want to if you join on Telegram and also join the receive there, you can also join 10 get 10 ICDs. So do the mission of like Facebook fan page to get 10 ICDs. And in short it's telling that if you join on this on any social site you will get 10 ICDs. So you can also join their social airdrop and also their white paper. So just when you click on this there is a new page in front of you. So you just click on this and add this and you can see their open folder. When you open this you can see there is a beautiful review of this ICD white paper. So just click on this and see, you can see there are beautiful white slides. You can, first of all you can see their board to you buy ICD Daffy Finance Labs. What is this? When you read this you will understand very well. So after that you can see ICD Daffy wallet track records. You can see there 2 lakh 100 plus downloads, 117 plus millions plus dollars. Their trading volume in March, and you can see there 151 299 plus addresses and other transactions. You can see there and everything. Means it's a very profitable and obscure platform. So you can join this and also add more profit. You can see there also live trading the graph, total valued locked USD in Daffy. So you can see this in April it's very low, in June you can see there, and in August you can see that it's going to high, and I hope it will also it also goes to high. So it's I think it will take 400 to 700 or maybe 1000x profit. So after that you can see there IC Daffy decentralization. You can see there swaps and everything. So you can also join on this network blockchain, governance token, cross blockchain, multi-chain wallet and everything. So you can also, when you read this you can understand very well. It's not very difficulty to, you can also see it here. You can see there is a live chart, a flow chart. You can see the staking system, farming system, NFT technology and everything. So you can also join on this ICD. It is called ICD system. ICD token, you can see the ICD token economics, their roadmaps, ICD token matrices. Thank you for watching, and if you want to join on social media you will just click on this. You can see their links within this white paper. So this is white paper. Now I will get to back to our site. After that you can see the video about liquidity and fast transaction speed. It's a very high classical video. So you can see that after ICD, what is ICD Daffy. So and I am telling you what is ICD Daffy is the best for holder. You can see there he's telling that ICD Daffy is the best for holder. We are a team of Daffy builders in Australia and UK who wants to build an ecosystem for Daffy products that help traditional finance users to access to Daffy services much easier. So he's telling that it's a very Daffy builder program. They are from Australia and UK. They wants to build an ecosystem of Daffy products that helps traditional finances and also access their users to much easier. So after the means they want their VN is very high, and they also want more profit, and they also give more benefit to users, and a user can access their many services through is very easily. So after that you can see their roadmaps. Just focus on my video, don't skip my video and watch my video till end. So first of all there are many stages, and in first stage you can see they're building of a global ICD coin ecosystem platform, and number two you can see their build social channels like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Discord, YouTube. Means they build their social channels, their sites on social media. After that you can see they're officially open sale and launch ICD platform globally through seed, sound, private sale and pre-sale. So in stage 2 you can see they're cooperative with reputable auditions unit Certix CD, DSCC tech rate, and developing ICD on tax swap, farming, stocking, listing on PancakeSwap and two international tax means it is listed their site on many international exchanges and get more profit. So you can go on these sites and vote this token. So in stage 3 you can see the research and development NFT technology and DeFi platform on ICD research of development marketplace to buy and sell and develop of NFT in the form of artificial intelligence. User can create their own, and so I mean when you read this it's a very amazing, it's a good guy, it's a very trustable platform, secure platform. You can invest your money in this. I hope you will know more profit. In stage 4 you can see the list on ICD on major international P2P exchanges like Binance, Hobby, Gate.io. Link to put ICD coins on crypto news sites then like market caps, Coinomi, like Livecoin Watch and everything. So research and optimize technology for future reality games are and artificial intelligence. In step 5 you can see there launching a financial game called ICD game community. It's very amazing. I hope I will like this game. So in this game you can join our build our own investment business. Oh, that's great. And completely on ICD NFT platform. And after that you can see that they're establishing representative offices in multinationals like, and also focus on developing charities funds, the funds that will help their that helps poor people, and also research through auctions and patents. So in stage 6 you can see they're bringing community games, ICT games to major distribution platforms such as e-games, Xbox, PlayStation and everything. So develop more study for immersion funds, sports, people are very passionate about technology and everything. So it's a very decentralized token. So I hope you will like my video. So here it's also listed on international things. You can see there bitcointalk.org, bitcoin tech and coinomi, coin market and everything. So you can see their outstanding features, just see there. First of all you can see their sport on big exchange DeFi and NFT exchanges. You can see their farming are there, farming automatically up to 8% months. 30 of transaction fees are allocated to holder in DeFi fund B. And you can see their speeds. What is speed is very liquidity and fast transaction fee speed. Security 100% account security. You can see there it's not risk for any user. So you can see that about fee, their low transaction costs. Governance, holders can use ICD to vote for governance purposes to change product parameters. That's good. You can also join join airdrop now. So after that you can see their holders are very in huge amount at their exchanges, log on liquidity providers and also DeFi fund NFT BNB. So there is a token pre-sale, there is token sale, and you can see the token sale. The token name is IC DeFi, token symbol is ICD and decimal is 18. So maximum supply you can see that in the hard cap, you can see that it's a very huge amount and you will easily buy this in a very big amount. So after that you can see the token platform. You can see the token is BNB BSC and token standard is BB20, means it's a BB20. And the token ICD address, you can see that it's a token ICD address, and you can see their address ICD token and address ICD contract. So you can see the general description. ICD will be released on the basic of BNB BSC platform and fully complete with BB standards, BB20 standards, standing of this support of this standard guaranteed that complete battle of the token will this third services wallet exchange listing etc and provide easily. So you can buy also this on this, you can also buy this token. So now I'm telling about their ICD token outstanding advantages. You can see that there are many things. You can see the long term liquidity and avoid speculations, potential to increase price over time, completely decentralized, fast transaction speed, and NFT products through ICD token. So you can also see the token distribution. It's a very huge amount. You can see the allocation of funds. There are total supplies. You can see that it's a very huge amount. I can't count this. You can also see that market cap 5% is fixed for market cap. Airdrops you can see that it's fixed for market cap. So after that you can see that 5% are for seed round, means it's for seed round, 5% for private sale and 10% for pre-sale. You can see that it's yellow part is for private sale, and you can see that green part is for pre-sale, 10% for staking. You can see there. And after that you can see 10% is for farming and 5% is for team, and other you can see that the red part is 50% and it's for burning. So it's very you can also see there in this. So it's amazing guy. I hope you will like my video, and also you can buy this in a very huge amount if you want to get millionaire. So buy this token and hold for some time if you want to buy, if you want to earn more profit. So you can also join on social media if you want to join contact this, for example X, anything. I will, Jack is my name, for example. It's not my real name. You can see that Jack is my name, and you can see there Jack 123 at the rate email. You can put your email, exact official email, and email gmail.com. So after that you can see you put your one phone number, for example your phone number 12345678990, and your subject for like your token and everything. You can also fill this form very easily and send their details to them. And for I think you means you can also appreciate this. For example, I wrote there I like your token. You can also write anything that have in your mind, and you can send it to their send. And after that you can send, you fill this form, you can send to the message. Now you can see this there, your message will be sent to the site owners or site. So it's okay, you can see there we will get back to you as soon as possible. It's a confirmation message. You can just click on OK, and after that you can see that if you want to join on the social media, you can also join on Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, Medium, Telegram, and YouTube. So it's a very, if you want to log in, you can also log in. So guys, it's a very decentralized form. You can also, so guys, it's a very decentralized token. I hope you will like my video. So if you want to earn more profit, so just join this IC DeFi and earn more profit. You can earn more profit. You can see it's depend on it's based on Binance Smart Chain, and Binance Smart Chain you can see there, if Binance Smart Chain, if Binance values increases, you can your values also, your tokens values also increases. So it's upon to you how much quantity of you can buy this. So let's meet in my next video. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.